Hi, beautiful people. Welcome to PsySigns, where we decode behavior and help you build emotional clarity. There's a certain kind of magic in being missed. It's not about manipulation or games. It's about being so genuinely present, so authentically yourself, that your absence creates a quiet ache in someone's awareness. We've all felt it, that moment when someone leaves and suddenly the room feels a little emptier. That's the power of unforgettable presence. And here's the beautiful truth. It's not something you have to force. It's something you cultivate. It's about how you show up, how you connect, and how you allow space. Today, we're diving into the psychology of being missed, not to play games, but to become the kind of person people naturally long to be around. Here's how to make anyone miss you. Principle 1. Be fully present when you're together. This is the foundation of everything. In a world of constant distraction, giving someone your full, undivided attention is a rare gift. When you're with them, be with them. Put your phone away. Make eye contact. Listen like they're the most interesting person in the world. Ask questions that show you're genuinely curious. Let them feel, in those moments, that they have your complete focus. Why this makes people miss you? Human beings crave to be truly seen. When you give someone that experience of being fully witnessed and heard, you create a powerful contrast. They start to realize how rare that feeling is. And when you're not around, they'll crave it. They'll miss not just your presence, but the way you made them feel when you were present. Principle 2. Leave a scent of yourself, a signature association. This is about creating small, positive associations that linger after you're gone. It's not about leaving a physical object, though that can work. It's about leaving a feeling, a memory, a little thread that ties back to you. Maybe it's a specific song you introduce them to. Maybe it's a joke that becomes your thing. Maybe it's a small, thoughtful gesture, remembering their coffee order, noticing a detail they mentioned weeks ago. Why this makes people miss you? The human brain works on association. When you become linked to something positive, a song, a scent, a memory, encountering that thing later automatically brings you to mind. You become embedded in their everyday experiences. They hear that song and think of you. They see that coffee order and remember your kindness. You're present in their world even when you're not physically there. Principle 3. Allow space for absence to work its magic. This is the counterintuitive piece. You can't be missed if you never leave. Constant presence becomes background noise. It's the space between interactions that creates longing. You don't need to play games or ignore people. You simply need to have a full, rich life of your own. Let there be natural gaps. Let them wonder just a little what you're up to. Let them be the one to reach out sometimes. Why this makes people miss you? Absence sharpens appreciation. When you're always available, your presence is taken for granted. When you have your own life, your time becomes something valuable. People begin to notice the difference between when you're there and when you're not. And that contrast creates the space where missing you can grow. Principle 4. Be the person who remembers the little things. This is a superpower. Most people forget what you said yesterday. A person who remembers the small, seemingly insignificant details, they're unforgettable. When you recall a story they told you weeks ago, a preference they mentioned in passing, a worry they shared, you're showing them that they matter enough for you to pay attention. Why this makes people miss you? Feeling remembered is a profound form of being loved. When you consistently show that you listen and that you care, you become the person they feel truly known by. And once someone has tasted that feeling, they'll miss it when it's gone. They'll find themselves wanting to share things with you because you're the one who actually remembers. Principle 5. Share your genuine excitement and passion. People are drawn to energy. When you talk about something you truly love, a project, a hobby, a dream, your whole demeanor changes. You light up. You become animated. That energy is magnetic. Don't hide your passions. Share them. Let them see the version of you that's fully alive. Why this makes people miss you? Passion is memorable. A person who is genuinely excited about life stands out. People want to be around that energy. And when you're not there, they'll miss that spark, that enthusiasm, that sense that life is a little more vibrant when you're around. Your passion becomes a part of your signature. Principle 6. End interactions on a high note, the peak end rule. Psychologists have found that people remember experiences based on two things: the emotional peak and the ending. If you end an interaction on a warm, positive note, the entire experience is remembered more fondly. This is why it's so powerful to leave people wanting a little more. Why this makes people miss you. If you always leave conversations when the energy is good, when you're both laughing or feeling connected, they'll associate you with that positive feeling. They'll look forward to the next interaction. And when you're gone, they'll replay that last moment and feel a pull to experience it again. Don't overstay. Leave when it's sweet. Principle 7. Be consistently, unapologetically yourself. This is the most important principle of all. You cannot be unforgettable if you're constantly trying to be someone else. Authenticity is rare. It's disarming. When someone meets a person who is genuinely, comfortably themselves, quirks, weirdness, passions, all of it, it's refreshing. It's memorable. Why this makes people miss you? There's only one you. When you show up as your full, authentic self, you become irreplaceable. People can find someone who tells them what they want to hear anywhere. But someone who is genuinely, uniquely themselves, that's rare. That's the kind of presence that leaves a mark. And that's what people truly miss. Putting it all together. Making someone miss you isn't about tricks. It's about presence. It's about being so fully there when you're together that your absence creates a quiet echo. It's about being so genuinely yourself that you become irreplaceable. It's about creating positive associations that linger. It's about allowing space for longing to grow naturally. And it's about being the kind of person who listens, who remembers, who lights up with passion, and who knows when to leave a conversation on a high note. The people who are truly missed aren't the ones who try the hardest. They're the ones who know how to be fully present, fully themselves, and then allow the beautiful space of absence to work its magic. I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever had someone you couldn't stop thinking about? What was it about them that made them unforgettable? Share your stories in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, because here at PsySigns we're building emotional clarity one truth at a time. See you in the next one.